Hey, what's up, guys? This is Jeff, and I'm doing my day trading recap for Tuesday, September 17. I traded shop at the open for a 5 minute opening range breakup. So, I'll show you what I saw here. So, on that first 5 minutes, it was forming this beautiful opening range breakup on good volume. Um, as you can see, I also realized there is some potential resistance here on the 5. That's the 200 moving average. And then also on that 30, there's a 50 moving average here. So I was a little bit cautious here, but I felt like this thing had the juice just based on that volume that it could crack it. So I went long. I had a fairly tight stop, and as you can see, I stopped out. And that's when I realized my stop was way too tight here. And I knew that the strategy was still valid because it's not breaking down. So it bounced off this level here. Once it bounced, I added to I got back in, and my new stop is right here. As it pulled back, I added more, so I doubled my position there with my stop still the same there. So nothing has changed. As it pulled back, it's riding this 200, or I'm sorry, the 20 moving average here. So I'm still respecting my stop. Um, as you can see, I also noticed on that 5, it was forming this ABCD pattern here. So I didn't add to I already added. This was probably a premature add. I probably should have added somewhere around here, but I'm already in there. I'm just respecting my stop. I also noticed on the 15 that this thing was forming a 15 opening range break up as well. So I was fairly confident in this trade that this could potentially break these moving averages here. So when it did, and when it punched through that moving average, when I got my 2 to 1, I started taking profits right away. So I took a partial there. It popped up more. I took more. Um, Let me see here, as you can see. And then as it started to move, continue to move higher in my favor, I started to take more profits. So took more here and then here. So I left some shares on the table to kind of see how high this can go and if this could possibly trend. But unfortunately, I have to go to work. But I was really looking to get to this 338 level, which is, as you can see, this previous close here, 337.93. But I closed my position already. I have to head to work. So as you can see, I closed it all out. I only had a few shares left. But it looks like this thing is probably going to start trending higher. But all in all, I made my day on this trade. I'm not going to complain. Yeah, if you have any questions, comments, feel free to leave it at the bottom, and I'll get to you as soon as I can. Happy trading, everyone.